to be a successful entrepreneur. In general, people recognize figure of Hairul Tanjung or more familiarly called Siti after he has been a successful entrepreneur. In fact, the success that he has achieved today is an accumulation of the past, that is the process by his life journey from childhood until today, which has filled with challenges and dynamics. The story of Hairul Tanjung becomes one of Indonesia's most prominent and well-respected businessmen, is both endearing and inspiring. Hairul Tanjung's ability to success in today's Indonesia based on little more than hard work, loyalty, and a keen eye for business opportunity will give her to be up and coming generation of Indonesia entrepreneurs. Love of city for Indonesia is always released in the hard work and real work, which can also be enjoyed by society at large. Because of the efforts, hard work, and persistence, City successfully created so many new businesses which are beneficial for himself, his family, and a lot of people. Moreover, he has created the employment opportunities for more than 75,000 employees and can raise the name of Indonesia in the international. The story of the journey of life Si Anak Singkong can inspire the people of Indonesia, especially the younger generation. From Hairul Tanjung's The Ways of Business, we will get some tips on how to become a successful entrepreneur. According to City, entrepreneur can be born and not lowered or inherited. There are some tips which influence the business successfully as follow. 1. Start business by hard working, willingness, and integrity. An effort should be initiated, developed, and obtained through the hard working completely, integrity, and powered by ambition. Success cannot be achieved in an instant. It needs perseverance and integrity. In business, entrepreneurs apply the concept of the philosophy from known to be the great man. The concept became real because of the perseverance and hard working. 2. Trust is a major capital. The figure of city is a king Midas in Greek mythology. Everything that he touched by his hands turned to be gold. The wisdom of this story is not about the confusion or complaint of the King Midas miracle because the food that was eaten changed into gold, but about the magic of Midas who could change everything into gold. In business, trust is the major capital. The existence of beliefs, morals, and idealism are the important components in conducting business. 3. Be optimistic. In the business, it requires a rational optimism and growing the optimistic spirit born from the wish of looking at the better future. Rational optimism is created through a directional process based on a comprehensive, in-depth, and scientifically responsible. According to the vision of Indonesia 2030, Indonesia in 2030 will be the five major powers of the world. Capita income of about $18,000 in the list of world's top 10 tourist destinations, and the achievement of self-sufficiency in meeting domestic energy. The inclusion of the at least 30 companies into the Fortune Indonesia 500 companies of world. The future of the world is Asia. 50% of the world economy will be controlled by Asia as the essential case that are China and India. Everything is created through the synergy of components businessmen, bureaucracy, and academics. To achieve it will be three conditions, namely strong national leadership, a conducive business climate, and a comprehensive energy policy. 4. Extra caution. Be careful in taking the decision. Every decision will affect for the next business. The business must be managed carefully and responsibly. Accuracy is essential in making decisions. 5. Speculate in taking the risk. Every has in business. To start the business, the entrepreneur has to speculate in taking the risk in the possibility of unpredictable and unexpected. As a good entrepreneur is able to predict what will or happen after taking the decision. Count the impact of the risks in every decision. 6. Recruit the qualified human resources. To establish a strong foundation in business in order to withstand the various threats. One of the tips is to recruit the best human resources which are qualified in the fields. Nowadays, it is easy to get the qualified human resources, but it is quite difficult to find out the highest integrity or honesty. That is why it should be used as a parameter in recruitment of human resources. 7. Create the new breakthrough and innovation. A good entrepreneur will try to release the opportunities that arise. The opportunity is not only sought, but also created the opportunity, and that is the insight. A good entrepreneur has a keen eye for business opportunity. Innovation is necessary in order to always be able to fulfill and satisfy the needs of consumers. 8. Share with others. Create a program for sharing with others. God has promised in Quran that will multiply the reward of people who give the charity. The parable of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed which grows 7 years. In every year, becoming 100 grains. Allah multiplies the reward from whom He wills in Al-Baqarah 261. Indonesia needs a lot of entrepreneurs who are nationalists. Populist nationalists because of the humanity duty so no more man-made poverty.